going down for a time. My friends are gonna be there too. I'm on the highway to Hades.
Those would be good on like a sandwich.
Nasa sakyan pa?
Film you?
Kana ang pangalan lang mo ba? Lang. Simple lang. Sige. Okay daw.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Cool. What's your name?
My name is Jasmine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Anything you want to say to the world?
God bless us all.
No.
She is shy.
Here's a pool. The 2-foot pool is closed. Why no one's swimming? It's not supposed to go in there. Okay, what's your name?
Jeffrey Fontaine.
How are you? Thank you, sir. Tent here, but then no smoking or no vaping. This place is whatever. I guess it's a karaoke place. I don't fucking want to do karaoke. It is a weeknight, it's not a Friday or Saturday. Oh, hey, look, some people came in. So now there's like... Ow! Fuck! And my ass hurts. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Adelpa Taparan, Manila.
How are you?
I'm 41 years old.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Anything you want to say?
Anything you want to say now? I'm fine. I'm so beautiful. And good evening.
Hello, how are you?
Hi guys,
What's your name?
I'm CD.
Anything you want to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, what's your name again?
My name is Elson Lagrasas.
Cool, nice to meet you.
Okay.
How are
Me too,
you?
sir. I'm good.
Cool, anything you want to say?
Hi.
Thank you.